A YouTuber by the name of RBOCLover1618 recently found me on Discord and wanted me to compare my T21 against my TurboCat, but not using a central vac. Using this, a Mila H1. In specific, this is an S147. So, without further ado, let's start off with the one I know he doesn't want to see first. He's mostly curious about the T21. So we're going to compare the TurboCat first. I literally just vacuumed this not too long ago, so this will be interesting. I even used the T21 here. I'm just curious myself. So let's start off with vacuuming the house first with this, and then we'll do T21, and that'll be the most of the video. There's just going to be snippets of the TurboCat. Everyone knows how a TurboCat works. I am not seeing a change in lines here. It is still finding stuff. I'm kind of impressed. Bearing cover. Whew, that could have been disastrous. Didn't even see that on my carpet here. I don't know what that's from, but looks important. Oh wow, look what it's collected off my really bad carpet. I gotta change out my carpet. Check for any more obstructions. Belt looks fine. It's a cogged belt, so there's no real need to check it, but I still like to check it. Power cable is really short on this, so I gotta go around my pool table. Really wishing I had a longer power cable here. But that's not his favorite now, is it? He's mostly curious about the T21. So we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna connect this. And I've made a small modification to this. because I found the beta bars kind of made it skip a bit. Kind of made it look like it's skipping. So I've taken the beta bars out and put another bristle in. This gives it double the agitation. The beta bars were mainly there just for gliding, but this thing has enough power where you don't actually need that beta bar. I don't know why. Can someone please explain why that's the case on this machine? I would assume it's more of a balancer than that. I still have plenty of beta bars. It's just they're prone to chipping on these. Let's watch the bristle spin, shall we? I really gotta re-grease those bearings. Kind of looks like one of those old school uprights, am I wrong? Kind of reminds me of one of those old Regina vacuums with the power head. And before you yell at me in the comments saying that, oh, you said it wrong, just remember. There's a city called Regina, Saskatchewan here. That's how I've always said it, and that's how I'm going to continue to say it unless I'm somehow wrong. This one's a little, doesn't glide, this one doesn't glide as nice, but I mean, it does the job. It probably doesn't glide as nice because it's a little more top heavy. As you can see, I have to push it a little more with my back finger to demonstrate it. I can't just let it, oh wait, I probably can. I could just do that. This one doesn't leave a middle line, so that's always nice. I'm not going to do this line again because yeah, the carpet's falling apart. So that's what happens when you use the Dyson V7 as your only vacuum. So I've got a lot of dirt to pick up still, 4 years later. Go around here. You can tell this one's bearing down on the carpet a lot more than the TurboCat, which I would assume means a little more agitation. It's a little bit louder, probably because I need to do the bearing. Well, that's just how these things are, but again, like Arbach Lever always says, quality over sound level. Oh dang, this thing's not wide enough. Let's see if it'll fit underneath. Okay, at least it fits under. gonna do the half here, and then we'll start doing over here. So, I'm finished making the video. Gotta say, the T21 did pretty well. Now, the performance is identical to a TurboCat, but I mean, I credit where it's due. This thing looks pretty cool and has a little more agitation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.